Hi everybody, today let us start a new application that is SMS application. Okay, so in this we will learn how to send SMS and what do you mean by SMS manager, and how to create broadcast receiver, what do you mean by broadcast receiver and where we have to use the broadcast receiver. So all those things we will discuss, and also how to create the notifications and why we need notifications in Android application. Okay, so all these concepts I will discuss in this section. So let us start from like how to send SMS. Okay, so let us create a new application and we will see how to send the SMS. So before that, just I will brief what do you mean by broadcast receiver, because in this SMS application, like you might be using SMS application like your message application. Okay, so all the phones contains the message application. Okay, like if you're using your SMS application, you can send the SMS, and also when SMS received, at that time your message application will show the notification to you. Okay, so how to do that? So all those concepts we will learn. So for that, if you want to receive the SMS, you need broadcast receiver. So I will explain what is broadcast receiver. See, in Android, broadcast receiver is a component of Android application, and basically it is used to receive the broadcasted messages, as name explains, broadcast receiver. Okay, it's a receiver which receives the broadcasted messages. Like what do you mean by broadcasted messages? Okay, like suppose now in your phone there is a low battery. Okay, at that time what your Android system will do, it will broadcast one message, okay, saying that there is a low battery. So at that time, suppose you have designed one application, like you have designed one game and user is playing the game. Now whenever Android system or your mobile phone says there is a low battery, then you can say, you can intimate the user you are playing the game but your battery is low, so better you can close the application, because there are other critical applications like messages or calling applications that so you for that you need the battery, so better you can close the application. If you wish to say this to the user, you can say that. If not, you can just intimate the user battery is getting low, so you can close the application. If not, you can resume this game after some time. Like if not, you can say please plug in the charger, if not your game will be closed. Okay, something like you can just show the notification, or you can show an alert message to the user. Okay, so if you want to do that, whenever the Android system broadcasts some message through intent, if you want to send some data or some information or message to any other application or to any other activity, you need the intent. Okay, so here whenever Android system broadcasts the intent, okay, at that time your application should be capable of receiving that intent. Okay, so to receive that intent you need the broadcast receiver. So basically how it will work. Okay, so if you're using the broadcast receiver, it allows you to register for the system application unit events. As I told, like low battery, okay, it's an event. So whenever low battery occurs, okay, whenever that event happens, okay, at that time, look at here, all the registered receivers for an event are notified by the Android runtime once this event happens. Okay, whenever that event occurs, at that time Android system will notify all the receivers, means all the applications we have using the broadcast receiver, and if that receiver is registered for that particular event. Okay, it means I have designed one application. Okay, in this application I have designed one broadcast receiver. Okay, broadcast receiver means it is similar to your activity or service. It's a component. Okay, so you will be having one class and it extends the broadcast receiver class. Okay, and if that broadcast receiver is registered for your action battery low, means if it is registered for low battery event, then whenever low battery happens, at that time your Android system will intimate your application saying that there is a low battery. It is very simple. If you want to listen something, Okay, first you have to intimate the phone or your Android system saying that I want to listen this. So when I want to listen, whenever this event happens, it means whenever there is a low battery, I want to listen that. Okay, so whenever there is a low battery, Android system will send a message or it will send an intent. So your application will receive that intent through broadcast receiver, and according to that you can take the action. Okay, so this is about broadcast receiver. So first let us see how to send the SMS. Okay, and later on we will see how to receive the SMS and how to get the message out of that SMS. Okay, so let us start implementing this. So I'll create a new application. Okay, you have to follow the same steps. I think it's not a difficult to you because we are following this in all the sessions. So create the new application, click on file, go to new option, select Android application project, give the name. I'll give the name as Send SMS. Okay, so click on next, again next. You can choose any icon if you have. So I'll go with the default icon. Then you can select the activity here. I'll go with the blank activity. I'll change the name to Om. It is your wish. You can keep the same name also. Click on finish. Okay, so here is your application. Here instead of this hello world, I'll remove this hello world. Okay, like before starting this application, I'll show the demo, like what we have to do in this application, or what we have to do in this complete section. Okay, so for that I have a small demo here. So this is okay, so this is my Send SMS application, and here you have the receiver. Okay, actually you have to integrate both the applications because in the same application you have to receive the SMS and also you have to send the SMS. But just to make it simple, I have made it as a two different applications so that you will understand it is working for both sending and receiving. Okay, so here what I will do is I will send the SMS. So here I have provided one edit text, and you can notice here I am showing one int, enter your message. This is not the text what you are displaying, it's a int. Okay, I'll show how to show this int. Okay, and let us try to send one message, hi. Okay, type your message and click on send button. Okay, now you can notice here this is your receiver example. Okay, I'll send it once again. You can notice in your application it is receiving the SMS and it is showing it. Okay, what it is showing? It is showing from which device it is getting the SMS from this device, and the SMS is I. Okay, see in the status bar it is showing one notification. What is that? There is a SMS from 15555 15555515556. This is the device number, that is your 5556 here. This is the device number. Okay, and the SMS is this. So remember, this is not our application, this is a predefined message application where it is showing the messages. Like this also we can show the notification to the user, that I will discuss later. As of now, remember we have designed an application where it is, here it is receiver example. Okay, so whenever you send an SMS from this test app, okay, here it is receiving and it is showing it in a toast message. Okay, that's what we are doing here. So let us see how to design this. Okay, first I will discuss how to design our test app, that is how you can send the SMS, and later on I will show how you can receive the SMS, and after that we will see how to show that SMS in a notification. Suppose I have closed this application. Okay, so Okay, your application is not in a foreground. Now even then, if you send the SMS, okay, you can notice here it is showing the message. It means even if your application is not active, okay, but your application is using broadcast receiver, it means whenever your phone receives an SMS, okay, automatically your application will become active. If not, your broadcast receiver will become active and it will receive the SMS. Okay, so this is about your SMS application. So let us try to design it first, okay, and you will understand better. So I'll go with the first application, that is how you can design the Send SMS app. Okay, how you can send the SMS. So for that, already we have created one application, that is your Send SMS application. Here is your layout or your main XML file. Now to this I will add two components. First one is user has to enter the message. So I will add the edit text here. Okay, so and also I will add one button. Okay, you can add it below, if not you can add it here also. Okay, here I will change this, if not it will better, I will bring it down, and this one I'll bring it a little bit down. Okay, and I'll change the layout width. I'll make it as match parent. Okay, so here is your edit text where user can enter the message. I'll edit the ID here. Okay, I'll make it as edit text 1 underscore, okay, SMS, if not message. Okay, and for your button also I'll change the text first. Okay, I want to display it as a send. Okay, and I will change the ID also. Click on edit ID, button 1 underscore send. Okay, so now go to your Java file. Okay, I told if you want to show an int here to the user, so how to show the int? Just double click on your edit text. It will take you to the code. Here you can add one attribute, that is int. Okay, int here what you can give, you can say enter your message. Okay, save the changes and you can close your XML file, if not let it be. Okay, and let us see, you can see the int here, enter your message. Okay, so go to your Java file, open the Java file. So if you want to keep this menu part, you can keep it, if not you can delete it. Okay, so but our intention is we have to send the SMS. Okay, so for that you can declare the components. If not, if you want to create a method for the button, as I explained in the previous session, you can just select the button. Okay, and you here in the properties you have to search for the on click option. So go to on click option, here it is, select that and you give the method name here. Okay, I will give it as send SMS. Okay, so be careful, you have to copy the same name and go to your Java code. So below your on create method you have to write one more method, public void, paste your method name, and it has to accept one parameter, that is view v. Okay, so whenever user clicks on that button, this particular method will be called. It is showing an error. You have to import the view. Okay, so now whenever user clicks on this send button, so this particular method will be executed. Now I will take the edit text, as we have added it to the XML file. I'll give it as et name. If not, we are collecting the message here, so I'll give it as et message. Okay, and you have to initialize that. Et message is equal to, it's a edit text, find view by id, or dot id dot your edit text underscore message. Okay, so save the changes. So whenever user clicks on the message button, what we have to do, we have to collect the text first. So how to collect the text? Take one string variable. I will name it as message is equal to your edit text message dot get text dot to string. Okay, so here you will get the message. Now you have to send that message. So how to send the message? What is the syntax to send the message? Remember, to send the message or to use message service in Android application, Android provides an option called as SMS manager. Okay, so to access the SMS service in Android, you have to use SMS manager. Okay, so I will take SMS manager. Okay, I will give the name as manager is equal to your SMS manager dot get the default. Okay, so it is deprecated in latest versions, not an issue. So let us try to send the message. So use your SMS manager. It is nothing but your manager dot. See, if you want to send the message, there are different types of messages here: data message, multi-part text message, and text message. Okay, as of now we are collecting the text here, so let us go for the text message. Okay, so it is asking for different parameters. So that is your destination address, source address, and what text you want to send, and send intent and delivery intent. Okay, so here first the destination address is, so to which device you want to send the SMS. Okay, as of now I will hard code this. Okay, I'll make it as something like 555. Okay, see, here we are executing these applications on the emulators. Okay, so here the phone number is nothing but your device number. You can find it at the top left corner. That is 5556 or 5554. Okay, so this is your device number. So I will add the device number as 5556 here. Okay, and it is asking for the source address. You can give the source address, if not you can give it as null also. And text, what message you want to send. We have collected the message here, so I will copy that message and I will paste it here. And sent intent, just to understand whether the SMS has been sent or not. Okay, and like as of now let us go with the null value. And if you need the delivery report, okay, so here Android provides the delivery intent also, so not required as of now. Go with the null value, save the changes. Now if I execute this program, it will throw the exception. Why? Because means, remember here we are using the SMS service. Okay, means suppose if you have the SMS package in your mobile, okay, means you have activated the SMS package with the service provider, then you can go with the free SMS. If not, you have to pay some amount of money to the service provider. At that time, if user is using this application without the user notice or without intimating the user, you can't use this service. For that you have to take the permission. It means you have to intimate the user whenever he is installing this application on his device. You have to tell him, if you are using this application, then it uses the SMS service. So if you are okay with that, you can install this application. Okay, so for that you have to add the permission. Okay, if not, you can check this application whether it is working or not. Select the application and click on run. Okay, so it is asking on which device you want to run. Okay, I'll select the first device because its number is 5554 and we have to send SMS to 5556. Okay, so click on OK. So here is your 5554 emulator. Okay, before that I'll clear the log cat. Now, okay, here is your application. So if I enter some message here, something like hi, and if I click on submit button, if not send button, it will throw the exception. Okay, so you can see the exception in the log cat. See, caused by security exception, sending SMS message, okay, does not have android.permission.send SMS. Means you have to provide the permission in your Android manifest file. Okay, so without that it won't execute it. It means it won't use the SMS service. Okay, so for that go to your Android manifest file. Previously we used to go with the application tab, so but this time use permissions. Click on add button, select users permission and click on OK. Okay, you have to select the permission here. We have to send SMS, so go to send SMS here, android.permission.send SMS and click on save button. Now try to execute your application. Okay, so here is your application. Just I will go back on your 5556. Okay, just we are testing the sending SMS app. So here is your 5554 emulator. Just I will type one message here. Okay, I'll make it as hello Sam. Okay, so I'll click on send button. Okay, you can notice here you are getting the SMS from 5554, last 4 digits. You can open that message. Okay, so it is saying hello Sam. It means you are sending the message from your 5554 to 5556. Okay, so it's working fine. In the next tutorial I will explain how to receive the SMS. See, here you are receiving the SMS in a message application. It's a predefined application, but how to design our own application? Here we have designed our own application, like where you can send the SMS. So in the same way, how to design application to receive the SMS. Okay, that part I will explain in a next session. Okay, so thanks for watching.